If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that grows into a wealthier way of thinking. Most people believe they will start feeling rich after the money arrives, after the promotion, after the bigger house, after the number in the bank account finally look impressive. But the truth is the opposite. People who eventually build wealth don't start by becoming rich. They start by thinking, feeling, and moving differently long before the money shows up. Because the wealth is not only a financial condition, it is a state of mind first. And when your mind learns abundance, your life slowly begins to reflect it. The biggest difference between someone who stays stuck and someone who grows into wealth is identity. Poor thinking says, when I have more money, I'll be confident. But the wealthy thinking says, I will build the confidence now and money will eventually follow. Wealth begins when you stop seeing yourself as someone trying to escape scarcity and start seeing yourself as someone expanding toward abundance. This identity shift is quite but powerful. It means you stop constantly saying, I can't afford that, that not for people like me, maybe one day. Instead, your inner voice begins to say, how can I grow into that? What skills would bring me closer? What would the future version of me do here? Feeling rich before you are is not pretending. It is deciding who you are becoming before the results appear. And identity is the seed that eventually grows into wealth. Once identity begins to shift, behavior naturally follows. Feeling rich is not about spending money you don't have. It's about how you carry yourself through daily life. People who eventually build wealth behave differently in small ways most people overlook. They protect their time, they invest in learning, they keep promises to themselves, they stop living in constant reaction to every distraction. Instead, they move with intentional focus. They choose growth even when it feels uncomfortable. They choose discipline even when nobody is watching. They choose long term thinking instead of short term comfort. And those daily micro decisions slowly change the direction of their lives. Feeling rich means understanding something powerful. Your future wealth is built in ordinary days, in quiet mornings, in consistent habits, in the discipline to keep showing up when progress feels invisible. But there is another factor that shapes how rich you feel long before money arrives: your environment. Because your surroundings constantly teach your brain what is normal. If you are surrounded by constant negativity, complaining, scarcity thinking, people who mock ambition, your mind slowly starts believing that struggle is simply the way life works. But when you begin to change your environment, even in small ways, your perspective expands. You start reading ideas that challenge your limits. You start listening to voice that talks about growth instead of fear. You begin spending time with people who believe life can become bigger. And suddenly your mind starts accepting something new. More is possible. That shift changes everything, because once your mind accepts the possibility of abundance, your action begins to align with it, your decision begin to reflect it, and slowly the life you imagine start becoming the life you are building. Feeling rich before you are is not about pretending to be someone you are not. It's about training your mind to recognize the life you are moving forward. Because the most powerful truth about wealth is this: people rarely receive a life they cannot imagine. But the moment you start thinking, behaving, and surrounding yourself like someone who is expanding, your future begins quietly moving in that direction. And one day you look back and realize something surprising. You didn't suddenly become rich, you simply grew into the life you practiced believing in. Thank you for being here.